Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Xbox headset on a PlayStation 5 party chat. And this is actually really easy to do if you think outside of the box just a little bit. So on the screen, I have my phone. And what I want to do is go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and download the PlayStation app. So just click on there and then go to the top and type in PlayStation and download this application. So you can do this on your phone, your tablet. Just open up this application now, and then we can join a party from here. But first, we want to connect our PlayStation or Xbox headset to our phone. So here's my Xbox headset. This one is Bluetooth, so I can scroll on down from the top, go to Bluetooth right here, click on this, and scroll on down to the bottom to available devices, and then figure out how to put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So for this one, I just have to hold down the power button for like 5 seconds until I hear a sound that is kind of like waving in and out. So it only took like 3 seconds to do that, and you can see it's connected to my Xbox now. So I'm going to bring this back on over to my phone. So I can go to display mirroring here, and then scroll on over to smart view, and then my TV will pop up on here and go to start now. So once you have it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, you can connect it on over to your phone, and then you can join the PlayStation party chat from the app. So I can see my Xbox wireless headset on the bottom. It is pairing and connecting. Let's go to OK. Alright, so it's on this list somewhere at the top. So I can use the microphone on here now. So let's go back over to the PlayStation app. Scroll on down from the top. And then here's chats. We can join a party chat from here. Otherwise we can create a new one. So let's go to the top and press the headset. And sometimes this application can be very slow and frustrating. And then start an open party or a closed party. So let's just go to closed for this tutorial. So if you got a newer phone, it might work a little bit better, but they have been improving it. It used to work really good. Now it's just a little bit slow and delayed. Alright, and it's connecting. So now you should be able to use your microphone on this application. So make sure your microphone is unmuted. And then you should be able to speak in here. And you should be good to go. So you can mute your microphone in here. So if you have something connected to here, you should be able to get it to work. Now make sure your Xbox isn't on also. Otherwise, it's going to be trying to talk to your Xbox. And you should be good to go. You got leave, speaker, mute on the bottom. But yeah, just connect your headset over to your phone, and you should be good to use it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.